Welcome to ShoWork. This is the complete guide for account managers. Your whole job lives here. Walk a property, document what you find, and send it where it needs to go. Let's start at your dashboard. Your dashboard tells you exactly where you stand, how many inspections you submitted this month, any drafts still in progress, and any findings that are overdue. From here, you start a new inspection in one tap. Open properties to see everywhere you work. Search by name or address, sort by what needs attention, and filter for the sites you have never inspected so nothing gets missed. Open any property for the full picture. The address, the property manager, every suite and tenant, and the access notes, gate codes, and entry instructions so you are ready before you even arrive. When you are on site, tap Start Inspection and your walk begins. As you move through the property, you add one finding for each thing worth documenting. Here is the part that saves you the most time. Snap a photo, and ShoWork's AI looks at it and writes the finding description for you and captures the GPS location automatically. Set the severity so the property manager knows how urgent it is. Urgent, needs attention, or FYI. Add a short action plan and save. Repeat for every item you spot. When your walk is done, review your findings. Check each photo, description, and severity, then submit. You choose where it goes, straight to the property manager or to your own office for review. Once submitted, the inspection locks, so the record can never change. Everything you have ever walked lives in your inspection history, where you can track each finding from open to resolved. Make ShoWork yours under Settings. Update your profile, switch the whole app between English and Spanish with one tap, and choose exactly which notifications reach you. Protect your account under Security. Set a strong password, turn on two-factor authentication, and see every device signed in with the power to sign them all out at once. And your activity log records every sign-in and every inspection, so you always have a clear, honest record of your work. That is ShoWork for account managers, start to finish. Welcome aboard.